Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video we learned question number 4 related with the topic difference and complement of a set, exercise number 5.3 related with chapter number 5 sets and function class 10 mathematics. Today we are going on to solve the last and fifth question of exercise number 5.3 related with chapter number 5 sets and function class 10 mathematics. It tells that if universal set is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and set A is ABC and set B is CDE, then verify with the help of Venn diagram De Morgan law. Then verify De Morgan law with the help of Venn diagram. So taking solution, there are two laws for De Morgan. We already learned in the previous exercise 5.2. First law tells that if A union B whole complement will be equal to the A complement intersection B complement. This is first law. And the second law tells that A intersection B complement A intersection B complement will be always be equal to the A complement union B complement. First we are going to prove this law with the help of Venn diagram. After this we will prove this law with the help of Venn diagram. Taking the first law, A union B whole complement will be equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now A union B complement will be found first. So A union B whole complement means that subtraction of A union B from the universal set, because this is the definition of complement. So U minus A union B will be A union B whole complement. So this is A, B, C, A and set B is C, D, E. So the union will be all the element participate in both of A and B. So the union will be A, B, C and D, E. So A, B, C, D is A union B and set U is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F and G. This is set U minus A union B is A, B, C, D, E. This is A union B. A, B, C and D, E. Now here is subtraction sign, so it means that all the elements participate in first set and not participate in the second set. So first we are going to remove the common element, ignore. So A present in both set, B present in both sets, C present in both set, D present in both set and E present in both sets. So in first set we are left with FG and this is not present in the second set. That's why this is the subtraction. So F and G is our U minus A union B, which is actually A union B whole complement. Now we are going to prove it with the help of Venn diagram. So the Venn diagram, first we are going to draw a rectangle over here. This is a rectangle. Let's suppose this is universal set. This is set A and this is set B. Now in set A and set B the common element are C and there are no common element. D, E is not common. So the common element are C. This is common area, so write C over here. And set A, B are left with AB. So AB and set B we are left with DE. So D and E. Now A union B whole complement means subtraction of A union B from the universal. So the shading will be in a universal set, not in A and B. So shading will be just like this. A union B whole complement. Now taking A complement and intersection B complement on this side. So we are going to find U minus A because A complement means U minus A. So all the elements participate in universal set, not participate in A set, will be A complement. So remove common element which is A, B, C and A, B, C. So we are left with D, E, F, G in universal. So A complement will be D, E, F, O and G. Here is an intersection sign. Here is a B complement. So B complement means subtraction of P from universal. So the common element are C, D, E and C, D, E. So remove it. We are left with A, B and F, G. So A, B and F, G are the B complement. Now here is an intersection sign, so it means the common element in both of A complement and B complement. So the common element are F and the common element are G. So the result will be F and G. Here also we obtain the result FG and here we also obtain the result FG. It means that this law is verified. Now we have proved this side with the help of Venn diagram using the same condition. So draw a rectangle. Draw right universal set over here. This is, let's suppose, A set and let's suppose this is B set. Write the same elements C, A, B, D, E over here. C, A, B and D, E. Now here it is A complement and intersection B complement. In A complement, it is u minus A, and B complement u minus B. So the shading will be an universal set, but here is the intersection sign. So ignore the intersection sign and using the same law u. So here we will shade out the universal set according to the law. So the intersection will be just like this. Here and here the shading is same and the Venn diagram is also same. It means that this law A union B whole complement is equal to A complement and intersection B complement. This law is verified. Now we are going to prove this law with the help of Venn diagram. Now first we are going to find A intersection B whole complement. So A intersection B whole complement means subtraction of A intersection B from the universal set. So u minus A intersection B. So our A intersection B means the common element in A and B, and so the common element are just C over here. So C is the common, so A intersection B will be C. And minus universal set is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So ignore the common element in A intersection B, and universal A intersection B is C, and here it is A, B, C, D, F, G. So the common element are C. Here we are left with A, B, D, E, F, G. So the result is A, B, D, E, F, and G. This is A intersection B whole complement this side. Now we are going to find A complement union B complement. So A complement means subtraction of A from universal. Common element are A, B, C, and A, B, C. Remove it, we are left with D, E, F, G. So A complement is D, E, F, and G. Here then union sign. And B complement means subtraction of B from the universal set. So the common element are C, D, E, C, D, E. Remove C, D, E, we are left with A, B, and F, G. So A, B, and F, G. Universal means the all elements participate in both of these two sets. So the result will be A, B, and after this there is no C, so D, E. After this we are left with F and G is common, so we will take just one F and G because there is no repetition in sets. So this side gives us A, B, D, E, F, G, and this side also gives us A, B, D, E, F, G. Both sides are equal. It means this law is also verified. Now we prove this law with the help of Venn diagram. So draw a rectangle. Let's suppose this is universal set. This is set A, and let's suppose this is set B. So the common element in set A and set B is C. So right over here C, and set A we are left with AB, and set B we are left with DE. In the universal set we are left with A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So in the universal set, A, B is the part of universal set, so we already taken A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, so we are just left with F and G. So write F and G over here. Now we take this side A intersection B whole complement. So the shading will be just like this. We will shade the inner part in this case using the same shading for A complement union B complement over here. So with this this law will be verified. With this question, exercise number 5.3 is completed. In the next video, inshallah, I will start exercise number 5.4, which is the essential and necessary exercise of chapter number 5, sets and function in both point of view. So thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification of mathematics.